Hi everyone, it's Donald here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple and effective floral mechanic, making a floral wire spheres using aluminum wire. This was actually a request from one of our viewers who commented on our DIY glass bowl videos a few weeks ago. So let's get started. First, grab your aluminum wire and open the package. One great thing about aluminum wire is that it already comes in round shape, making our jobs much easier. Now, a quick tips, don't straighten out the wire before shipping it. Instead, go with the flow and follow its natural circular shape to create your floral wire ball. Trust me, this will save your time and effort. Simply guide the wire around itself, maintaining that round shape. And voila, we have our wire ball. This wire ball can now go into vases or containers, providing a perfect structure for arranging flowers. It's sturdy, easy, and simple, something everyone can do. Personally, I prefer using aluminum wire over chicken wire because it won't scratch or damage your customer container. Plus, aluminum wire doesn't rust, so it's safe for your flowers and won't shorten their lifespan. And there you have it, a quick and easy floral mechanic that makes arranging flowers so much easier. If you found this video helpful, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. A special shout out to the viewer who requested this tutorial. Thanks for the great idea. Hope to see you all in my next video.